Hey guys, what's up? Rigs and Gears here. Throughout the week, we've seen that we got more followers, more likes, more subscribers. We appreciate it. Thank you. And also, throughout the week, after we finished the teardown, we started looking at our inventory, figuring out what we can do better. So we got different hoodies. Well, let's take a look. Here's the first one. Black and white, not colored. Most people enjoy.
Pretty simple though, if you ask me.
And a shirt to go with it. Yeah. And the inventory's in, so jump on the website, start ordering if you want to. We're not gonna make you, but it would help out so we can keep this build going. So the teardown finished last Friday, as you can see. It's all done. Back. Rigs and Gears for video number 3. Teardown finished last week on video number 2. This week, we got some parts. Ooh, mystery. All right, so let's get to it. First started the build, we seen this online, we jumped on it, didn't realize it was off of 2013.
09
09?
or 08 and lower.
08 and lower.
The frame is not as wide as 09 and up.
So we're gonna have to, we talked about making the frame wider, making it come out, welding it, cutting, bending pipe and all that and whatnot. But then we started thinking about it, save time, money. We're gonna take it to a fiberglass person and have them shave it down so it'll fit the frame and so it'll look like it fits normally.
So where he's talking about cutting it, gonna try down through here just to cut a sliver out of here, squeeze it together so it fits in this part of the frame so we can hook it up to the these two, or this one actually, this normal mounting hole that the original one would go.
Rebuild with a twist if there's no twist to it. So in this box,
we had to get parts to make sure we fit the custom bagger status. So we went and bought from American Suspension a rake kit and triple tree set, just so we can chop it out a little bit, stretch the frame and everything right here without cutting and welding. It's just a bolt-on kit, and it should look really freaking amazing. What do you think?
that's gonna look pretty good.
Since it is a bolt-on kit, I'm gonna take out these two covers here, and then there's two on the other side. But you gotta take these out so you can slide it in, because it is a tight fit. You got a snap ring, and then you got a left-handed thread bolt, or whatever you want to call that, that goes in there to hold it on the stock neck. So I'm going to take those out.
And the same exact thing he just did on the bottom side. Can't record it because his big hands are in the way.
Sorry. Harley, go inside. We need to do our video. Come on. Come on.
Go see if there's a present to wrap. Come on.
Go wrap presents. Wrap, not unwrap.
Go wrap your sucker again. Your sucker? No, your sucker, not my sucker.
Now we're gonna pack these bearings, just make sure they stay nice and lubed up. Get yourself some grease, get a nice glob, put it on your palm, and kind of chop away at your grease pile. I don't know what this guy's doing.
I made a mess, I'm sorry. That's why we can't have nice things.
So you just try to do everything you can to fit it inside the groove here. I usually start from the bottom down here and do a spot until it shows up on top here, and then go from there.
And now time for the professional to do it, because I apparently can only make messes while I do it.
Get your glob, put it on your hand. I like my working hand to be, and just chop at it till it goes into the top. Once you start getting it full, you'll see it going in the top like that, in here in the groove, not in the middle, but yeah.
since we're going to reuse the forks from the original bike, I'm going to take this bolt off, identical on the other side, and we'll see how far that brings us. When you get this new Rake kit, you have to take it off the stock. Riser.
Something to do with the forks.
Take out the stock one. From here, you'll loosen it up. The 7/8 wrench. Spring comes out.
Just be careful because it is spring loaded, as you can see. Don't want to smack yourself in the teeth.
You get 2 O-rings in the package. It goes on there. Push this down in here.
What a pain in the dick that was. Put the new risers in. Just make sure you don't get popped in the teeth. Just spin in and the springs are something else, I'll tell you. Alright guys, so as we said before, it's just mocking it up to see what it'll look like and make sure we don't have to modify anything on this so we don't scratch paint. Pretty self-explanatory with the forks. Put your extenders in, shove the forks up. And for now, we just have them sitting here. Got a little more tweaking to do. And then tighten the screws here just so it doesn't fall out. Wanted to show you guys what it looked like for now. As you've seen, we're all done here. Got the rake kit and triple trees all mounted up. It's got a crazy rake on it now. I think it's gonna look super dope once we get the parts that we're wanting to get all bolted up and ready to show you guys on the upcoming videos and all. So let's take a look at our parts list real quick. Check that off for now. Rear fender for you guys, so that's cool. Already marking off parts. We definitely got plenty to go. Thank you for the views, the subscriptions, the likes. Think we had the idea of doing a question and answer video for you guys. Guys would like to get to know us, figure out what we're thinking and what's in the future, and even questions on the bike and how to do things and future projects. Just put everything down in the comments. Like and subscribe. As always, still have plenty to do for this. Probably gonna end up being what, a 6-month plus build or so.
Or longer.
Well, yeah, or longer. We'd like to at least have it rideable. Maybe not pretty, but at least rideable by summer, so we can do a few runs that we usually do. But yeah, make sure you go to the website. Check us out on Instagram. That's where we usually post what we're doing first and get a heads up on next videos and everything. And catch you later.